the both of you will, your love with each other will grow stronger. And of course, ang joy with one another will get deeper. Father, I have you assure na ang imong sons, kami duwa na ron, you have our full support. So kung ano man na decisions na ginahimo mo simula, aragin kami permis mo likod. And Tita, thank you. Have you know na our hearts are full of gratitude and our minds, even though hindi lang pagyambaleron, is at ease na. We can now look forward sa among future nga wala ka worry and makadiretso na kami focus sa among own lives. Because we know magtulong kami sa likod na among may galaga na kita. And of course, galaga man si God. So, I think that's it. Cheers to the newlywed couples.
Cheers!
Cheers!